Hello friends. So today we are going to learn how we can apply a Google Map on your Ionic 3 application, and your map will look like this. So let's start from the beginning. First we will open up the documentation here. So first part is first you have to install this Cordova plugin in your Ionic application, Ionic Cordova plugin Google Map. Then you have to add this in your application too. After that, you have to go to your application in config.xml file. In config.xml file, here you have to add the preference Google Map Android API key. Here, this is the API key which you want to create from your Google console. So, how to generate API key? This I am going to tell you. Here are the steps. First, you have to create the project. Now, I am here on the Google console. Here, you have to create the project which I have already created. Binzagar map. This is my current company application. So we will create a new project. So you can add the project name here and just create project. So this is creating my project now. My project has been created. Now I have to check my project. Here I can get my, see the project has been created. I will click on that. Okay. So I want a map for my Android SDK. So I will click it here. Now I have to enable this map SDK Android Google. Well, you have just to have to click the enable button. After that, we are going to generate a credential, API credential for this. That I'm going to do. Okay. So this is my Android SDK. Yeah, now I think we have to go to library. No, no, sorry. To go to credential. You have to click here credential. After clicking on that, you have to create the credential API key, or you can select this button. It is creating my API key. Okay, so this is the API key has been created. So this you have to copy it, and you have to paste the key here. Here you have to paste that key, which I have already created. My unique API key is this. So now I will tell you how to install that. Now once the API key has been created, you have to add it in your XML file, which I have already shown you. Now you have to run your application. So once you have run your application, you have to create one page, HTML page, and generate one page. For my project, it is existing customer map. So in that page, for in HTML file, you just have to add this content inside your content div id equals to canvas map. and your CSS will be like this. Whatever you want to give, this will be the CSS, and your TS file will be like this. In TS file, you have to import this Google Map, and all these things you have to import here, as well as in your app.module. Here also you have to import it, and you have to add it in the providers. Okay. Once you have uploaded, imported that Google Map plugin, now you have to start using your code. Okay. Now once you have done that, you have to add the map option to your code, and this is the available example code which you can get from this link. I have little bit customized my code. This is the data which I am getting from my API. Okay. So here it comes, add cluster. So here we will get the latitude and longitude in the bond. Bond is coming from here, and this is my marker, and I have given the image of that, and here is the code for your map. You can check that. For marker, you can use this event, Google event marker.click, in which if you will click on that event, see here. So this is my marker, and I have created that event also. If I click on this, see. So what happening here is, when I'm clicking on that, I'm passing a data, my customer name and mobile number in that. For that, I am using HTML, inner HTML, and I'm passing it on the frame.html here, and the hello in HTML info window content frame. I have set the width and height here. The width and height of the, this is called the window. Okay. So this is how you can create your Google Map. I will tell you the step by step. For first, you have to start your blank project, then install the Google Map plugin, and second, you have to add the Codoa plugin Google Map, and here you have to add the API key while installing the plugin. This, like this, you have to add the Android API key, and then same API key you have to add in the config.xml, which is here. Here you have to add it. And like this way, you can create your first Google Map. See, it will get to the location also. So thank you guys. Hope you like this video.